Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Huawei smartphone to your Motorola One Macro, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and get application to transfer data. And I recommend you this application, Clone It. It's totally free and very easy to use. So let's just download this application, and if you got it, just open it on the both smartphones. Click Sender on the Huawei and Receiver on your Motorola. Click Search again. And if you got any request for the permission and you have to get access to the location for this app, just do this and don't be afraid. It's what this application required. And right now, if you want to connect, just click on this Android share icon. And we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code, but also we can input the password manually. So you have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. Accept the request, and right now if you want to send everything, you have to click on all of these icons and then just click start. But if you only get some details, we are going here, then go for the music, for example, on select all, and I take these two songs. Click start, OK, and as you can see, it's finished. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.